Prashanti. Today we are discussing introduction of Python. So, what is Python? Everyone said Python is a high level and interpreted language, right? So, I'm saying it is a Python high level interpreted programming language. It is known as a simple and readable language. It is nothing. Simple means its syntax is very simple, right? It is readable. Readable means everyone knows the English, right? High level means high level and means English. In general, human beings are giving the English, then they will understand like that. Python understand the English and machine level language also. So that's why it is so simple and it is readable, right? So it is widely used in web developments and data science and automation and AI and more, and gamings, building some games using Python only, right? Next, features and applications of Python. It is nothing but features. It is very simple and easy to learn. We know open source community. It is nothing. What is open source? Open source means we can get free, right? Some softwares are paid softwares are there, but in our Python, it is open source. Okay, it's cross platform also. What the mean of the cross platform? It is nothing but our Python is connected to some another languages also. Okay, Python with Java, Python with .NET. You can using this cross platform. Will work on it. Okay. Next, it has the large libraries and frameworks. So there are so many libraries are there in Python. Okay. Frameworks. What are the frameworks? In every language there are a own frameworks are there. Yes. So Python having the most popular Django framework. And one more is the Flask. So nowadays so many companies are using Django framework, right? So it is for different platforms. Yes, Windows, Macs and Linux. Why we need to learn Python? Why? Why means it's user friendly and simple, and already we have seen above. The simple and readable syntax is there, right? It is versatile. So everyone saying it is versatile. What is versatile meaning? It is used various fields. Right? Various fields means what? We can use it is in web apps, building web applications and games and automation and machine learning, etc. we are using. So that's why it is the versatile. So we can work in those so many things. Next, this is have a huge community. So means there are free sources and help available in online, right? So like ChatGPT, we are using Python ORG official website. So it's having a huge web community. It's a high demand. So nowadays, so many job opportunities are there in Python. Because if you know Python, you can learn data science. You can work with as a data scientist, and you can work with as a ChatGPT, learning LLM like that. So many job opportunities are there in Python. So that's why we need to learn the Python, right? So coming to another language like Java, for example, Java has the one programming language, right? So there if we are writing program, after writing program we need to run. So we want one compiler, right? So Java has its own compiler, but Java compiler how it is will work after writing 5 or 10 program code lines, then we will run. It will after completing program on it will run. Then it will check, not it is not check any line by line code. It will get any error, it will give. But in our Python there is not like that. Python has its interpreter. Okay, it is also having the like a teacher like me. So teacher is what he what understand. Teacher is nothing but He know high level code, she know fictional level code, right? Like that. Interpreter also know understand the English and secret language. It is nothing but a machine level code. So coming to the key features of the Python interpreter, you can read and execute Python code by line. I'm already saying. So if you write 2 3 lines of code, you will give running that program. If you got any error in the first line, it will check first line and it will stop the execution there only. Okay. Next, um, Python is have the so many versions. Every time it is releasing, it is updating like this, right? So Python also having the two different types of versions. One is Python 2 version and Python 3 version. Nowadays we are using Python 3 version, right? In this we have so many Python language with improvement and new features are there. But Python 2 is the older version. Nowadays it is not using officially. It is not supporting also. And we are using Python projects in new project zone. Okay. Next, if, we have Python language. So then we need to memory management also, right? So Python have its own memory management. It is nothing but a heap management. Okay. Private heap is there. It is having containing. And Python object and data structures are stored in this private heap only. Okay. The, it is managed having the own garbage collection. So it is internally is Python memory manager is there. Okay. So that is the introduction of the Python. Thank you.